Hi everyone, this is the another example on functional dependent. See the statement. Verify that the functions u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy and another function is v is equal to tan of x plus tan of y are functional dependent or not. We have to check that whether these two functions are functionally dependent or not. For that purpose, we have to check the value of Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Here, two functions u and v are given in two variables x and y. So, if their Jacobian is 0, then these both functions are said to be functionally dependent. Otherwise, they were said to be functionally independent. In that case, we can't get the relation between u and v. Okay, see. Given that u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy and v is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, first of all, we have to find out the partial differentiations of u with respect to x and y. So calculate dou u by dou x. Just I am taking the partial differentiation of u with respect to x first. So you should apply division rule in the differentiation. Already you know it. Derivative of u by v is equal to u dash v minus uv dash whole by v square. According to this formula, I got that denominator whole square first, 1 minus xy whole square, and partial derivative of x plus y, which is numerator, with respect to x is only 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into v, 1 minus xy minus, now u is the similar term, x plus y into partial differentiation of the denominator with respect to x is 0 minus y, because partial derivative of x with respect to x is 1. 1 into y is y. Now simplify the terms. You will get 1 minus xy, okay, minus x into minus y. So you will get plus xy minus into minus y into y plus y square. So denominator is same term. We got 1 plus y square by 1 minus xy. Okay, 1 minus xy whole square. This is the dou u by dou x. Partial differentiation of u with respect to x. Similarly, you can get dou u by dou y is equal to, again you can take u by v rule for u. You will get 1 plus x square whole by 1 minus xy whole square. Okay, and now dou v by dou x, just you should take the partial derivative of tan of x with respect to x. It is nothing but ordinary derivative of tan of x, and partial derivative of tan of y is completely constant, so its partial derivative becomes 0. So 1 by 1 plus x square. You know that derivative of tan of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, dou v by dou y is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square. Already I told you, for Jacobian problems, knowledge on partial derivatives are very, very important. Now calculate Jacobian. Therefore, Jacobian of uv with respect to x comma y is equal to, what is the formula for this one? First row is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. Second row is partial derivative of the second function with respect to x and y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y is equal to, write the respective values. First term is 1 plus y square by 1 minus xy whole square. Second element in the first row is 1 plus x square by 1 minus xy whole square. Next, second row is these two terms, 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus y square. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Already you know that determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix ABCD is AD minus BC. According to that one, you will get this one into this one. Here numerator is 1 plus y square. Here in the product, denominator is 1 plus y square. So 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square getting cancelled. Simply you will get 1 by denominator, 1 minus xy whole square minus, multiply these two terms. Here numerator is 1 plus x square. Here in the product denominator is 1 plus x square. These both are getting cancelled. Simply you have 1 minus xy whole square is equal to 0. So these both are getting cancelled. That's why you are getting Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is equal to 0. So we should understand that whenever Jacobian of uv with respect to x comma y is 0, you should understand that uv are functionally dependent, otherwise functionally related. So there exists a relation between u and v. Already I told you, for getting the relation between u and v, you should observe the structure of the given functions. We are observing that u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy and v is equal to tan of x plus tan of y. By using identities in the inverse trigonometric functions, v can be written as, what is tan of x plus tan of y? According to the identities in the inverse trigonometric functions, it would be tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. But we are observing that this is u. This is given as first equation u. Okay. So v is equal to tan of u. Otherwise, this equation can be written as tan v is equal to u. U is equal to tan v. Is the required relation. This is the required relation between u and v. So in this way we can solve the problems on functional dependence. Thank you very much. In the next video I will give some more problems. Bye.